Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're gonna see how to remove background in Adobe Illustrator. Firstly, go to View, then Show Transparency Grid. This helps you easily see which parts of the image have no background. Now go to Window, Image Trace. This opens the tool that lets Illustrator convert raster images into editable vector paths. Choose the Direct Selection tool from the toolbar and click on the image you want to edit. In the Image Trace panel, set Preset to High Fidelity Photo. Wait a moment, Illustrator will trace your image into vector paths. Once tracing is complete, go to Object, then Expand. Click OK in the dialog that appears. This will convert the trace into vector shapes. Now click outside the canvas to deselect everything. Click on the white background area of the image, or the white one, Hit the delete key on your keyboard. Repeat this for any remaining white parts if needed. Now go to View, High Transparency Grid if you want to return to the normal white background view. And done, you've successfully removed the background using Image Trace in Illustrator. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.